Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday. Do something today that makes you happy. If you don't know what that is, then try something new. You never know. It could make you happy. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we'll have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have chicken bites. Tomorrow we will have breakfast, and we will have hot dog. Today's birthday is Adeline Martin. Happy birthday! Couple of announcements. Our third grade learners will be testing this morning. Please remember to be quiet near the computer lab and the collab lab. Teachers, please spend your money. The allocation money is supposed to be allocated for this school year and spent this year, so make sure you finish up spending that. Late duty. Today we have Miss Heichman and tomorrow is Miss Bolton, followed by Hogan and White. Some important dates. We are still in the ACAP testing window. Our PST has been moved to March 25th, which is Thursday. March 26th is the end of the third quarter. March 29th, the grades are due for report cards. April 5th through the 9th is spring break. April 16th are spring pictures. And April 30th, we'll finish ACAP summative testing. Our PEP partners, 3rd and 4th grade, are testing this week, so be sure to encourage them along the way. Our word of the day is interval. An interval is the distance between 2 points. Okay, so this shows the number from 0 to 1, and it's broken up into intervals that are 1/3. So the interval is the space between the 0/3 and 1/3. So that's how much space is there is the interval. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.